I promise you, this is going somewhere. I'm trying to make a point here. This is how to screw up your intro 101. But this was literally one of the intros that I saw on a YouTube video. How not to start your YouTube videos. Welcome, my name is Dexter, and in this video I'm gonna tell you all about what not to do and what you should do instead. I'm glad that you're still here, because you have 8 seconds to convince a viewer to watch your video, so make those 8 seconds count. The mistakes that I see a lot of YouTubers make is, first of all, making a bumper. A bumper is a theme song thingy that repeats in every single video. A lot of television series have them, so a lot of YouTubers think that they need to have one too. Absolutely not true. The problem with a bumper is that it isn't of value to the viewer, it's only of value to the creator. So if you still want to make a bumper, then keep it short, 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds max. If you want to know if your video bumper is too long for your audience, go to your YouTube analytics. Under videos, click on the analytics icon, and in the analytics of a video you can see under analytics overview your audience retention. Here click on see more, and here you'll see a typical graph of an intro that is too long, because you'll see viewers come into the video, and when I click here, here is the intro, and you'll see that viewers come back to the video, but they just skip over the intro that is here. If that is the case, you should make your bumper shorter or skip the bumper altogether. The worst thing you can do bumper wise is to have the bumper before you start the video. You'll never see that experienced creators do, because it hurts your audience retention. The problem is, again, value. Before the viewer did even see 1 second of your video, you already forced a bumper on them. They will click away because they know that experienced creators don't do that. One last thing about bumpers. If there is a huge quality difference between the bumper and the quality of the video, that looks a little bit amateuristic. A lot of creators spend hours and hours and hours on their bumper, and then their bumper is better than the rest of the video. Hands down, the biggest mistakes that I see YouTube creators make on YouTube is not getting to the point quickly enough. If you talk about how you got a red bicycle for your 6th birthday, or that you like to eat spinach on a Sunday, skip. Nobody cares. Again, your audience retention in your YouTube analytics will tell you the truth. I've here a video on my DJ channel. It was one of the first videos on the channel. Back then I did a vlog combined with a tutorial. The problem is, however, I sold it as the best plugins for music production. People came for this topic, but it wasn't here in the video. You can see this is only vlog, 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 vlog. Nothing to do with the topic at hand. Only here at 2 minutes and 10 seconds it is information in the video, and here you can see the rest of the video audience retention is fine. I could have had a better audience retention in this video. When I cut off this part of the video, then the video would have performed better, because a better audience retention leads to more promotion in the YouTube algorithm. The video that I imitated in the beginning of this video had a very confusing title and thumbnail. I had no clue what this video was about, so out of curiosity I clicked on the title. Then I got a video of her where she dances to music. Then I got her intro where she asked to subscribe to her Instagram, asked to subscribe to her YouTube. Then I got footage of her asking to subscribe to her YouTube again. And then 41 seconds in the video, then she explains what she was going to do in the video. A lot of new viewers would have clicked away. Hey YouTube, hey all, hey guys, welcome everybody. What is wrong with those greetings? Well, you are not personal, you're talking to an entire group. The problem is that you can't connect with people, and if you connect with people, they are more likely to watch your entire video, also more likely to watch more of your videos, and more likely in the future to purchase one of your products. Make your viewers feel appreciated. Okay, now let's talk about how you should do it. Let's talk about the video structure. First of all, make sure that you get to the meat of the video within a minute. You begin your video with a hook. Tell your viewers in less than 30 seconds what your video is about and convince them to stay and watch your video. So don't talk about unrelated items like your shirt that you wore in your last video, for example. Hook viewers in with your most ingenious ideas. Ask them a tough question or confuse them, but resolve that confusion in the video. Tell them an interesting story or an interesting fact. Connect the dots with your title and thumbnail so viewers know that they are in the right place. This is one of the reasons why you should think of your thumbnail before you start shooting your video. Make sure to use the target keywords in the beginning of your video because the YouTube algorithm tries to detect text, so it has less problems figuring out what the topic of your video is. And if that is restating your YouTube video title, so be it. Then a sponsor spot. If you have a sponsor of your video, then you can place it at this point in the video. Don't do it at the beginning of the video. I already explained why. And if you have a sponsor, make sure to keep it short within 30 seconds. Then a bumper. We already talked about it. Keep it short within 2-3 seconds. I chose for title screens because it helps a little bit in the algorithm, so the algorithm knows better what my YouTube video is about because it reads the title in those title screens. An introduction of the host. To establish authority. Name some of your achievements. For example, I can say regarding to this channel, hey, I have built my DJ channel to over 25,000 subscribers. For example, I followed a couple of YouTube channels that talk about the topic YouTube, so they are somewhat in the same space as me. I followed them to see what they are doing, and over and over and over in the comments I saw, hey, you have only 500 subscribers, you have only 1,000 subscribers. Who are you to tell me how to do YouTube? You don't know the F what you're talking about. The introduction of the host shouldn't take longer than 10 seconds. Ask to subscribe. This is the first time in the video that you could ask for a subscribe. Some people would argue do it later in the video because viewers already had some value from you and know what you can mean to them in the future, so they are more likely to subscribe. And yeah, I agree with that. Then an explanation of the video structure if your video structure demands that, otherwise don't do it. And then the meat of your video. But don't forget that people first need to click on your video before they can even watch the video. In this video right here, I'll tell you exactly how you make a clickable YouTube video title. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more tutorials.